Today, I'll show you how to create a love text reveal animation in CapCut PC. This effect adds a soft and romantic entrance to your text, perfect for love stories, wedding videos, or heartfelt messages. Let's get started. First, go to the Text tab and add a default text to your timeline. Now, from the right side editing panel, customize the text style to match your project. You can choose a beautiful font, adjust the size, and pick a soft color like pink or red to enhance the romantic feel. Next, head over to the Animation tab, click on the In tab, and search for In Love. This effect gives your text a smooth and dreamy reveal, making it perfect for emotional or affectionate moments. Now, adjust the duration slider to control how long the effect lasts. A shorter duration makes the animation quicker, while a longer duration creates a slow and elegant entrance. And that's it. You've successfully added a love text reveal animation in CapCut PC. Try experimenting with different fonts and colors to create the perfect romantic look. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tricks.